Insert Teflon bushing into the spring. Carefully insert wires first, and then the handle assembly through the casting holes. Push the handle in until it meets with the casting and hold. You can rest the platen on top of the machine. Carefully push the handle in, tap casting if needed, and when it's almost all the way through, into the collar holder. Now you can push the rest of the handle in and make sure the collar and spring are in its proper position. Now begin applying pressure by turning the collar to the upper position. Hold Allen wrench and insert drive pin, and again turn collar upward and tighten top screw. Keep Allen wrench in the screw and insert drive pin to the last hole at the bottom. Now remove the Allen wrench. Slightly turn collar upward and tighten screw all the way. Insert the pivot pin that holds the top link and hold by inserting the E-clip. Test the pressure by lifting up and down the platen. Insert drive pin and Allen wrench. Turn collar upward at the same time, tighten the screw. Place Allen wrench on the middle screw and tighten. Test pressure again by lifting the platen up and down. Insert Allen wrench and drive pin and tighten the center screw at the same time turning the collar upward. Hold drive pin in place and tighten screw down tight. Now tighten the bottom screw tight. Lift up the platen and with the Allen wrench, tighten the first screw all the way tight. Compare tension to the other platen, it should be the same. Slide the machine over the edge of the table and tighten the set screw. Insert and tighten the second set screw. Now tighten screw from the collar holder, and then tighten the back screw. Slide the wires down and reconnect the heater wire, sensor, and ground wires to their proper places. Attach the back cover and replace the 4 pan head screws back.